to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 22 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge for beginners. How about we have a game night at my place and play board games?
How about we have a game night at my place and play board games?
Can I have a cookie from the jar? They smell amazing.
Can I have a cookie from the jar? They smell amazing.
Let's go to the carnival and ride the Ferris wheel and roller coasters.
Let's go to the carnival and ride the Ferris wheel and roller coasters.
I'd love to try that new ice cream shop in town. Their flavors sound unique.
I'd love to try that new ice cream shop in town. Their flavors sound unique.
May I join your basketball game? I enjoy playing sports with friends.
May I join your basketball game? I enjoy playing sports with friends.
I'm thinking of redecorating my room. Any ideas for a fresh look?
I'm thinking of redecorating my room. Any ideas for a fresh look?
How about we take a day trip to the nearby beach and enjoy the ocean breeze?
How about we take a day trip to the nearby beach and enjoy the ocean breeze?
Can I ask for your help with fixing my bike? It's not working properly.
Can I ask for your help with fixing my bike? It's not working properly.
Let's go to the petting zoo and interact with the cute and friendly animals.
Let's go to the petting zoo and interact with the cute and friendly animals.
I'd love to attend a dance performance. Do you know of any happening soon?
I'd love to attend a dance performance. Do you know of any happening soon?
May I have some information about local hiking trails? I want to explore nature.
May I have some information about local hiking trails? I want to explore nature.
I'm planning to start a small garden. Any tips for growing plants?
I'm planning to start a small garden. Any tips for growing plants?
How about we have a movie marathon and watch our favorite movie series?
How about we have a movie marathon and watch our favorite movie series?
Can I take a photo of you with the beautiful sunset in the background?
Can I take a photo of you with the beautiful sunset in the background?
Let's go to the city's food festival and try delicious dishes from around the world.
Let's go to the city's food festival and try delicious dishes from around the world.
I'd love to try that new sushi restaurant. It's getting great reviews.
I'd love to try that new sushi restaurant. It's getting great reviews.
May I ask you about your favorite travel destination? I'm looking for ideas.
May I ask you about your favorite travel destination? I'm looking for ideas.
I'm thinking of adopting a pet. Any recommendations for a first-time owner?
I'm thinking of adopting a pet. Any recommendations for a first-time owner?
How about we go to the comedy club and laugh together at the funny comedians?
How about we go to the comedy club and laugh together at the funny comedians?
Can I have some help with setting up my new computer? It's a bit complicated.
Can I have some help with setting up my new computer? It's a bit complicated.
I'd like to enroll in a dance class. Where can I find more information about it?
I'd like to enroll in a dance class. Where can I find more information about it?
Let's go to the amusement park and ride the roller coasters. It will be so much fun.
Let's go to the amusement park and ride the roller coasters. It will be so much fun.
Can I have a slice of pizza, please? It's my favorite food.
Can I have a slice of pizza, please? It's my favorite food.
How about we visit the botanical garden and admire all the beautiful flowers?
How about we visit the botanical garden and admire all the beautiful flowers?
Do you want to play a game of basketball with me at the park?
Do you want to play a game of basketball with me at the park?
May I have some milk for my cereal? It tastes better with milk.
May I have some milk for my cereal? It tastes better with milk.
I'm thinking of starting a book club. Would you be interested in joining?
I'm thinking of starting a book club. Would you be interested in joining?
Let's go to the beach and swim in the ocean. The water must be warm.
Let's go to the beach and swim in the ocean. The water must be warm.
Can I have some advice on how to improve my English speaking skills?
Can I have some advice on how to improve my English speaking skills?
How about we go on a road trip and explore new places together?
How about we go on a road trip and explore new places together?
I'd love to have a cup of tea. It's so comforting, especially on a chilly day.
I'd love to have a cup of tea. It's so comforting, especially on a chilly day.
Let's go to the farmer's market and buy fresh fruits and vegetables for the week.
Let's go to the farmer's market and buy fresh fruits and vegetables for the week.
May I borrow your umbrella? It looks like it might rain soon.
May I borrow your umbrella? It looks like it might rain soon.
I'm thinking of taking up photography as a hobby. Any tips for beginners?
I'm thinking of taking up photography as a hobby. Any tips for beginners?
How about we have a barbecue party in the backyard this weekend?
How about we have a barbecue party in the backyard this weekend?
Can I have some help with setting up my new phone? I'm not sure how to do it.
Can I have some help with setting up my new phone? I'm not sure how to do it.
Let's go to the concert next week. I heard the band is amazing live.
Let's go to the concert next week. I heard the band is amazing live.
I'd love to try that new restaurant in town. The menu looks delicious.
I'd love to try that new restaurant in town. The menu looks delicious.
May I ask you a question? How did you learn to play the guitar so well?
May I ask you a question? How did you learn to play the guitar so well?
I'm planning to visit a historical museum this weekend. Are you interested in joining?
I'm planning to visit a historical museum this weekend. Are you interested in joining?
How about we have a game night with our friends? We can play board games and have snacks.
How about we have a game night with our friends? We can play board games and have snacks.
Can I have a chocolate chip cookie? They are my favorite treats.
Can I have a chocolate chip cookie? They are my favorite treats.
Let's go to the zoo and see all the different animals. I love watching them.
Let's go to the zoo and see all the different animals. I love watching them.
I'd love to attend a painting workshop. It sounds like a creative experience.
I'd love to attend a painting workshop. It sounds like a creative experience.
May I know your opinion on this book I'm reading? I'm curious about what you think.
May I know your opinion on this book I'm reading? I'm curious about what you think.
I'm thinking of redecorating my room with new colors and furniture. What do you suggest?
I'm thinking of redecorating my room with new colors and furniture. What do you suggest?
How about we have a picnic in the park this Sunday? It will be a great way to relax.
How about we have a picnic in the park this Sunday? It will be a great way to relax.
Can I have some help with my math homework? I'm struggling with some problems.
Can I have some help with my math homework? I'm struggling with some problems.
Let's go to the theater and watch a comedy show. Laughter is the best medicine.
Let's go to the theater and watch a comedy show. Laughter is the best medicine.
I'd love to try that new bistro for lunch. It's getting excellent reviews.
I'd love to try that new bistro for lunch. It's getting excellent reviews.
May I have your attention for a moment? We have a surprise for you.
May I have your attention for a moment? We have a surprise for you.
I'm planning to start a fitness routine. Do you have any workout recommendations?
I'm planning to start a fitness routine. Do you have any workout recommendations?
How about we take a cooking class together? It would be a fun way to learn new recipes.
How about we take a cooking class together? It would be a fun way to learn new recipes.
Can I ask you to join me for a dance at the party? You're a great dancer.
Can I ask you to join me for a dance at the party? You're a great dancer.
Let's go to the planetarium and learn about the stars and planets in the night sky.
Let's go to the planetarium and learn about the stars and planets in the night sky.
I'd love to attend a live music concert. It's always an exciting experience.
I'd love to attend a live music concert. It's always an exciting experience.
May I have some suggestions for good movies to watch? I'm in the mood for a film night.
May I have some suggestions for good movies to watch? I'm in the mood for a film night.
I'm thinking of adopting a pet from the shelter. Do you have any advice for pet owners?
I'm thinking of adopting a pet from the shelter. Do you have any advice for pet owners?
How about we have a picnic by the lake this Saturday? The view is breathtaking.
How about we have a picnic by the lake this Saturday? The view is breathtaking.
Can I have your support for a charity event I'm organizing? It's for a great cause.
Can I have your support for a charity event I'm organizing? It's for a great cause.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.